So I thought I'd show this really good, or close up, so you can see where they had put in the asphalt shingles and they overlapped the rubber by about 7 inches, maybe 8 here, 7.5, 8. But then the bottom layer came off. Then the second layer and the third layer came off. Again, I do not like staples. The staples are nice in that they're easy to pull. It's actually coming off pretty good. Wherever the staples are, it comes right off. But you can see what's happening is the water's running down through here and right underneath the rubber. So exactly where all it's going is, I'm sure, creating a lot of problems, and that's why we gotta get this done. But it's calling for rain tonight and tomorrow, so I need to get aluminum on that, and then I need to maybe tear some more off. I'm also going to put a thicker board up, more of a 2-inch. 1 inch just isn't enough. It's okay, but it's not very comfortable to stand on when you're working on the roof. So I'm going to put the 2-inch up there. My nails aren't quite as long for that, but I think it'll be okay. I'll have to put some extra ones in. So I guess that's all I need to say here. We're going to come over top of the aluminum a lot, like we did on the other side over here. I think you can see that. We went over it by about 2 feet. We'll at least come down into here, which will be about 18 inches in this part. So that'll be much better. The one thing though, we have to clean out all these shingles. So there's 2 layers here. This first layer goes underneath the rubber, so I need to reach underneath there and get them all out, but it's not going to be this trip. I need to get down as far as I can, and then in this next trip, hopefully we can get a lot more. It may take 3 trips to get this whole area done. It's a pretty big area, but that'll be a huge part. And then we're left with that over there, which that's going to be a task too. Okay, I got to get my angle, make sure that my angle is good for the sides, and then we have to put in some venter ridge and get the aluminum going. Okay, let's get to work.